A very good morning to you all. Have you ever wondered how a perfect nation sounds like? It's a nation that has a strong social support system, equal opportunities for all, respect for diversity and focus on well-being of all its citizens. Now think, are we living in a perfect nation? Let's explore. Today, it's an honor to stand before you, not just as an individual, but as a proud citizen of India, a nation that has always stood for diversity, resilience, and hope. India, with its rich history and vibrant culture, has achieved remarkable progress since gaining independence. Yet, as we bask in the glory of our rich heritage, we cannot ignore the challenges that still plague our society. My precious audience, my vision for better India is one where every citizen, regardless of their background, has access to opportunities, equality and dignity. It's an India where progress is not just measured by economic growth, but also by the happiness and well-being of all its citizens. Let me share with you some key areas that define my vision. In my vision for better India, education plays a pivotal role. Quality education must reach every corner of the country, from urban centers to remote villages. Education should not just focus on academic excellence, but also on fostering critical thinking, creativity, and values like empathy and respect. Friends, a better India is a healthy India, where quality healthcare is not a privilege but a basic right. It must have well-equipped hospitals, skilled doctors, and affordable medicines. To my mind, no nation can truly prosper while its people struggle with poverty and unemployment. In my vision, India will be a land of opportunities where everyone has access to a stable livelihood, strengthening the agriculture sector, promoting small businesses and fostering innovation can generate abundant jobs and uplift millions out of poverty. Also, one of India's greatest strengths is its diversity. In my vision, India will be a land where this diversity is celebrated, not exploited, regardless of religion, caste, creed, gender, culture, or language. Every citizen must feel a sense of belongingness and unity. To achieve this, we must promote tolerance and understanding. The youth must be taught the values of secularism and harmony, ensuring that we move forward as one nation, united by our united goals and dreams. In my vision for better India involves empowering the younger generation to take charge of nation's future with their energy, creativity, and drive. They can lead India into an era of unprecedented progress. To harness this potential, we must provide youth with quality education, opportunities for entrepreneurship, and platforms for civic engagement. They need to encourage to dream big and work tirelessly. My audience, my vision for better India is not just a dream, it's a call to action. Each one of us has a role to play in making this vision reality, whether it is by educating a child, planting a tree, or helping a neighbor. Small actions can lead to big changes. Together, we can build an India where every citizen feels proud, a nation that embodies the ideals of equality, prosperity, and harmony. Come on, let us inspire each other. Let us dream big, and let us work hand in hand for a brighter future for ourselves and generations ahead. Are you ready for it? Thank you so much.